How to return items on TEMU. So first, you just have to go to your TEMU account and make sure that you're using the latest version of your application. After that, you just have to notice if there's an option there to return items on TEMU. If you can't, then you can exit the application and go to any YouTube channel, or you just have to launch your YouTube application first. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply search for this, okay, SPCY, okay, because this channel will help you or will give you an idea on how to return items on TEMU. Okay, so SPCY, working TEMU refund. Okay, scroll down and you have to tap this one. Okay, so here you can see some information about how to return item on TEMU, and this channel will explain you what are the steps. So you just have to follow the instructions in order for you to return items on TEMU. Now, the majority of TEMU products can be returned for a full refund within 90 days after the delivery date. Due to health and hygiene concerns, many categories such as food, personal hygiene items, undergarments, swimwear, etc. cannot be returned. Additionally, custom or made to order items cannot be returned. But if you watch this video, then maybe this person or channel can help you on how to return items on Temu. Maybe there will be some instructions or ways on how to return your items. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.